Thanks for stopping by the channel on today for my quick kitchen refresh in my shades of green. Let's go to the video and we'll chat in just a little while. And of course, prior to decorating and styling, you know we first have to give our spaces a good cleaning or a good wipe down. So enjoy the video to music and I'll be back after a while. So if you're new here, welcome. Or if you've been watching my videos and have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? I am Katrina, and this is the Priceless Pearl Life. It's a lifestyle channel where I share my love of home decor, cooking, baking, vlogs, and shopping hauls. So if those are things that interest you, then by all means, come on and join my Priceless YouTube family. I'll be glad to have you. Your support is greatly appreciated. I love how the space turned out. So let's take a closer look at vignette number 1. So I will be unboxing my new cookware in an upcoming video. Make sure before logging off today to check out my Spring Into It 2023 playlist. You will see me decorating all around the home, and I'm sure it will bring you some motivation and inspiration to decorate your home for this spring season. Remember, videos are being posted on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more sprinkle in between for your viewing. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video. Sunflower.